Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete subscriptions on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you are subscribed anything on your Apple ID, so let's see how can you delete your all subscriptions. So you just have to open up your settings, and here the very first thing you have to make sure that you have a strongest Wi-Fi connection or your cellular connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. And once you have checked, you have to go to your Apple ID, you have to tap on your name here, and then you have to select the subscriptions option here. And here you will get all of the subscriptions you have. If you have any subscribed or any subscriptions, so you will get them here, and you will get the cancel option or delete option in the corner, so you can easily delete them from here. So in this way you can easily delete your subscription on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.